To the old rugged cross, I will ever be true. Each shame and reproach gladly bear. Then it called me someday to my home far away, where is glory forever I share. So I cherish the whole rugged cross. See my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the whole rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. I will cling to the whole rugged cross and exchange